Hey, Jed, this winds, man. I'm telling you, we're getting reports of Priuses being blown up in people's yards.
That's right. Yeah, today is trash can day today. It's down the street and across the block.
Go find it.
Go find a trash can today. Those winds are very strong here today. It's all from a big low pressure system that's moving into the panhandle right now. It is tracking east. It's going to move across Oklahoma. Winds out ahead of it from the south. Winds to the south of it from the southwest, and winds behind it from the north. So our winds are going to be changing from the south to the north in the next 24 hours. So this system is going to roll on across. It's a powerful system. If we can get enough moisture, storm chances going up. As you can see right now, pretty limited in the rain amounts at this moment with anything we have. Pretty spotty. A few showers down south of Ada, a little rain over in the eastern part of the state. Again, this is looking at Next Gen Live. Only live dual pole radar here in Oklahoma City. We bought this so we can have it ready for severe weather season. We'll be using it, tracking storms coming up here later today. Let's check out where we're at right now. 66 degrees in Oklahoma City. South winds at 28. They are huffing and puffing this morning. Make sure those kids have an extra book or two in the backpack heading up to the bus stop because it is very gusty out the door this morning. Help hold them down. Let's check our future cast. This storm system rolls in with a lot of wind. We're going to see some storms develop. These look to be in the eastern part of the state. They'll really get going about lunchtime today, starting to form up from Durant near McAllister up to near the Tulsa area, and then shift over into far eastern Oklahoma by this evening time. So the storms really get going out of our viewing area in eastern Oklahoma, although around this low pressure area we'll have some cloud cover and some spots of some rain around it. Sometimes you can get a thunderstorm. Sometimes you can get a little cold air funnel coming out of these at this time of the pattern. So we'll keep an eye on that. Right now, nothing too turbulent with that. We'll just have to watch it with some storm chances and rain chances going up late afternoon. Northwest Oklahoma could shift down to the central part of the state. We'll put the chances about 30% for Oklahoma City. All right, severe weather chances look best in eastern Oklahoma, mainly a wind and hail threat as those storms line up along that boundary in the eastern part of the state. Once the boundary or the dry line shifts on through, it's going to kick up a lot of wind and really reduce those humidities, and that creates wildfire danger for another day. So it's going to be kind of periodic, goes up late morning into the afternoon as those humidity drops, those winds stay from the south and shift to the southwest through the afternoon. Skies kind of range in cloudiness. They'll thicken back up late afternoon by 6 p.m. 30% chance of a thunderstorm. Also, your UV index is a factor today. It climbs up to a 7. So tree count on the allergies, boy, those winds have been huffing and puffing. This has been a major story the last week where that allergy report has been extreme to very high in the tree count since last Friday. So we'll keep that going. Oaks are leading the way as of the last report. 50s. 60s starting out this morning. Winds are up, and they're really up in the central part of the state where they're gusting up over 30 miles per hour at times. We'll see a warm, windy forecast today. Just about everybody in the 70s. A few spots approaching the 80-degree mark today. And then those north winds start to take over. That'll cool things off coming up for the overnight period tonight. Lows dropping in the 40s and 50s. And then warm it back up. A little cooler tomorrow, but a nice day. A little less wind. 50s, make that 60s and 70s for most of the state coming up for tomorrow. So here's the storm rolling on by, slides in overhead late today, moves on out tomorrow. As it does, north winds and sunshine return. Nice looking day coming up by Saturday afternoon. Here comes the next storm, storm number 2. That comes in on Sunday. That'll kick up some showers, some storms across central or eastern parts of Oklahoma. Late Sunday, by Monday, that one has moved out. So we'll be tracking a couple storms. The storm on Sunday looks to be mainly east of Oklahoma City. Looks like this will track in the eastern part of the state as well. We'll put our chances at 40%, but that's an opportunistic 40%. We'll hope for the best there. Don't think it'll last very long late Sunday afternoon. Again, some severe weather possible, especially in the eastern part of the state. So we've got storm number 1, storm number 2, storm number 3, and then storm number 4. That'll be next Saturday. The storm number 3, I think that'll be our best opportunity for rain storms. That'll last for a little bit longer period of time from Tuesday into Thursday.
All right, thanks, Jed. Back in a moment. Stay with us.